Sisters, how y'all feel?
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl MeganB, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am doing a half up, half down wash and go. Something real simple, some slight, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get into the video. So, my hair is already washed and conditioned, and I already moisturized my hair. If you guys want to see a separate video on how I prep my hair before any type of style or wash and go, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely get that out for you guys. So as you can see, I am just separating my hair, trying to see how I want to go by, how much hair I want in the front and how much I want in the back. And I'm just going to separate it with my fingers. It does not have to be perfect. So I'm just going to take a small section in the middle and begin braiding that middle part of my hair. This is completely optional, you guys. You do not have to do this. This looks even cuter with some cute braiding accessories like clamps or little mini hoops in the middle of it. I didn't have any, so I just had to make do what it do. But yeah, just continue to braid that all the way down towards the end. And then I'm going to begin to add little, I guess you can call it antlers, I don't know, but two little side pieces to each side of my hair, like so. Once again, this is also very optional. You do not have to do this. It just adds a little something to a very simple basic hairstyle. So yeah, I'm just going to put that middle section away, and my camera had died, you guys, so it's about to die in a minute, and I completely apologize. So I'll see you in the next clip. So I have no idea why I said clip like that, so we're going to ignore myself and keep it moving. So like I said, my camera did die and half of my hair is done, so I'm just going to show you guys how I go in and flatten the rest of my hair. So being that my hair is really thick, I have to section off my hair in order to make a flat ponytail. So I'm going to go in with my Eco Style black seed oil and black castor oil gel. I'm just going to put that strictly on the roots of my hair. And I'm going to go in with a dimming brush as well as a wide tooth comb and a hard bristle brush to smooth everything down and make everything just fall into place like so. And you guys can also go back on my previous video on how I did my flat low extended ponytail. I do the same exact method. Like I said, my hair is really thick, and it's just what I have to do in order to make a flat ponytail. Gotta section it off. So I'm just going in again with that Eco Style gel, and I'm going to put that around the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm just going to smooth that on out, and I'm just making little swoops. I don't know why I do that. It's probably irrelevant. But yeah, I'm just going to brush out my baby hairs, and then I'm going to go in and just put that top part in a bun and out the way. So I'm going to begin by sectioning off my hair towards the back, and then within that section, I'm going to split my hair into two. And for my combo, my wash and go combo, I'm going to use the Cantu Curl Activating Cream as well as the Wet Line Gel in the color blue. And I'm going to go in with my water bottle and spray my hair some more. My hair is low porosity, so I love making sure that my hair is drenched in water. You want to make sure that your hair is drenched in water when you have low porosity hair. So I'm taking a generous amount of that Cantu Curl Activating Cream. I'm just going to begin just raking that product through my hair, making sure it just gets every strand. And then I'm going to take another generous amount of the Wet Line, and I'm going to do the same thing, just raking it through my hair. And the method that I use for my wash and goes, I think this is called the shingling method. I just rake my hair, and as you can see, separate where the curls separate naturally. Sometimes I go in and separate them into even smaller curls. It's completely up to you if you want to make bigger curls, if you want to make smaller curls, it's completely up to you. Just make sure that you section your hair off into small sections. That's going to give you the best results, frizz free and extremely defined curls. So like I said, I'm just going in and I'm getting that curl activator cream all through my hair. I like to start at the roots as well and then just go down from there. Then within, as you can see, within that small section, I'm making even more smaller sections. Yes, this process is very time consuming, but I promise you, you'll get the best results. Also, sometimes depending on my hair, I have different curl patterns in my hair. The back is more coil and towards the front it's loose, and then I also have a few damaged pieces towards the very top of my hair. So sometimes I just separate it and go, and then sometimes I will separate and twirl, as you can see like I'm doing now. I'll twirl the ends, like I said, depending on, it's just really random, but I know for sure once I get towards the front of my hair and towards some of my damaged pieces, I like to make sure I coil the ends really nicely. And that's how my hair is looking. So yeah, this process is very repetitive, so I'm just going to put this in fast forward and just let you guys enjoy. So once you're done with the back section, we're gonna do the same thing to the ponytail as we did the back section. So I'm just going to separate, detangle, go in with my Cantu Curl Activator Cream as well as my Wet Line Gel, and making sure that it's really moisturized. You can see my hands are pretty wet, so if I don't use my water bottle, I kind of I turn on the faucet and I dip my hands in the water and go from there. if I'm just being lazy and don't want to use the water bottle. But yeah, anyways, I just sectioned it off, do the same shingling method. And yeah, this part is pretty repetitive, so I'm going to do my baby hairs and finish up the look, and I'll be back with the semi-finished look. So this is the final look, you guys. The middle part, the braid, I put too much edge control, so when it dried, it left like a white cast. So don't worry, I do know, I was fully aware that it left a white cast, but I got rid of it once I finished recording the video and everything. But anyways, I'm just touching up a couple of curls here and there. Don't worry about the white cast. It will not dry like that. It dries completely clear. But yeah, I'm gonna do a couple of slow mos for you guys, and that is the end of the video. The next few clips will be of my hair dry. I had to go to work the next morning, so I just dried it and everything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, ring the bell, all of that. Thank you guys so much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.